Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today, people, we got an awesome design by Prado. I'm telling you, these two watch faces that we're going to review today are definitely nice. Now, we do have a giveaway as well, so make sure you comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win 2 watch face codes. Yes, I'm giving away 2 watch face codes to 5 winners from the US and also from the international countries as well. Again, comment in the comment section down below. So let's check out this awesome watch face by Prado. Now the name of it is called PDR Fit 2. Now this is the dark version of it. I call it the dark mode. It's definitely nice. I like the detailing. Everything is very sharp and crisp. Even in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look because if the watch face is on. But once it's on, I like the information that it gives. I like the layout. I'm loving the design. Giving the developer 3 thumbs up in the door easily. Now, as we take a look at it, it is an analog watch face. You get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. The watch face screens premium all day long, people. It is truly a great look. Up at the top, you will get the weather, and it does change according to the weather that's going on outside, which I thought was a nice touch by Prado. So if it's sunny, you're gonna get the sun up there. If it's nighttime, you're gonna get the moon with clouds behind it, just like you're getting now. And you're gonna also get your power info, your step goal completed. Down at the bottom, you will get your heart rate information. And over here, you're gonna get information on floors climbing. I only climbed 1 floor. I can't believe that. Then I get my date down here. I get the day of the week right up at the top, and in these 2 dials you're going to get your step info and calories burned. And yes, the watch face is interactive, so if I tap anywhere on the watch face, I can pretty much get more information that I'm seeking out of this watch face, which makes it very convenient to have on your wrist. So I thought Prado did an awesome job with this one. And even if you tap on Wednesday, it's going to allow you to bring up the calendar. And if I don't tap in the center, I can customize the color theme of this watch face. I'm really liking this black background, and you get quite a few colors to change to with this watch face as well. And yes, as always, the price is right. The name of the watch face is called PDR Fit 2 Light. Now the white version is pretty much gonna look the same, exactly the same so far as the detailing, the layout, the info. It's just gonna be the white version, and I'm loving a daytime watch face. Got many of them in my lineup because you never know when you're going to be out and the sun is going to be beaming. A white watch face brings everything to the forefront. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit me in the comment section down below because I would like to know your thoughts on this watch face, and make sure you comment so you can have an opportunity to win a free awesome watch face by Prado Design. All right, you all, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.